Access is not participation. Let me say that one more time. Access is not participation. A ramp matters. An elevator matters. Accessible parking matters. A policy matters. A compliance document matters. But none of these things prove that people are actually participating. What they prove is that something exists. They do not prove that that something is actually working. And that difference matters because for too long, inclusion has been measured by what was built, what was written, what was announced, what was checked off. But the real question is much deeper. Are people of determination actually participating in society? Are they going outside? Are they entering buildings? Are they using public services? Are they working? Are they studying? Are they worshiping? Are they accessing healthcare? Are they participating in wellness, culture, tourism, and public life? Are they contributing economically and socially with dignity? That is the real measurement, not whether a system says that inclusion exists, but whether people are actually experiencing it. My name is Roberto Benitez. I am the founder and CEO of PODAX. I am also a person of determination, an above-the-knee left leg amputee, a Muslim revert, and a resident of Abu Dhabi, and someone who has had to navigate the whole world through most barriers that people never even think about. And I can tell you this from my lived experience. Access on paper is not the same thing as participation in real life. A building can technically be accessible and still feel difficult to use. They can have an obsolete ramp like this. A service can be technically available and still feel confusing, uncomfortable, or intimidating. A city can have infrastructure and still not know whether people are truly using it. This is not only a personal issue for me. This is a systems issue, and systems need intelligence. This is where PODAX comes in. PODAX stands for People of Determination Access. But PODAX is not simply an accessibility platform. PODAX is a participation intelligence infrastructure. We are building an intelligence layer that helps governments, institutions, service providers, and communities better understand how people interact with cities, services, infrastructure, employment, education, healthcare, transportation, wellness, worship, tourism, and public spaces in real life, in real time, because inclusion cannot only be measured by intentions, it has to be measured by outcomes. Compliance tells you what exists. Participation intelligence tells you what is working. And that's a big difference. That is one of the most important distinctions of the next generation of smart cities. A checklist can tell you that a ramp exists, but it cannot tell you if people feel confident using that space. A policy can say that a service is inclusive, but it cannot tell you if people are actually accessing that service. A report can say that a city is accessible, but it cannot tell you who is participating, who is left out, where the friction exists, and where action is needed to be taken. That is the gap. That is the gap that is bigger than most people realize. Because when participation is not measured, it becomes invisible. And what becomes invisible becomes easy to ignore. That is why PODAX was built, to make participation visible, to make participation measurable, and to make participation actionable. Now, let me be clear. This is not about criticizing institutions. This is not about embarrassing or shaming businesses. This is not about creating noise. This is about creating better intelligence. Because many governments, institutions, and service providers genuinely want to do better, but they cannot improve what they cannot see. They cannot respond to friction that never becomes structured. They cannot measure progress if the data remains fragmented. They cannot build inclusive cities if participation itself is not visible. That is why participation intelligence matters. Every time someone enters a public space, avoids a public space, reports a barrier, completes a journey, attends an event, accesses a service, joins the workforce, or participates in community life, there is a signal, and that signal matters. It tells us that something about how this society is functioning. It tells us whether infrastructure is usable. It tells us whether the services are working. It tells us whether inclusion is becoming real. But today, many of these signals are fragmented. Some sit inside of government systems. Some sit inside of private institutions. Some come from users. Some are delayed. Some are never captured at all. PODAX helps transform fragmented participation signals into structured intelligence. Without getting into the mechanics of the platform, the purpose is simple. PODAX helps decision makers see what was previously invisible to them. Where is participation increasing? Where is it blocked? Where are people facing repeated friction? Where are institutions responding well? Where are service providers improving? Where are communities becoming more inclusive? And where does leadership need better visibility? This is a type of intelligence that can change outcomes. Because when you can measure participation, you can improve participation. And when you can improve participation, you can change lives for the better. This is especially important for smart cities, because smart cities already measure many different things: traffic, energy, buildings, transactions, mobility, infrastructure performance. But the next generation of smart cities must measure something more human. Can people actually participate? Can they move around the city? And can they move around the city with dignity? Can they access the opportunities in the city? Can they engage with public life? Can they contribute? Can they actually belong? A city is not smart because it collects data. A city is smart when that data improves the human condition, when that data improves human life. And that is why the future of smart cities is not only artificial intelligence, it is measurable human participation. And that is the category PODAX is building: participation intelligence. Not only access, not only compliance, not only reporting, participation intelligence. Now, this matters deeply to me because I have lived on both sides of this. I know what it feels like when access is missing. I know what it feels like when a place technically says it's accessible, but the lived experience tells a whole different story. I also know what it feels like to live in a country that takes people of determination seriously. That's why PODAX was built here in Abu Dhabi. The UAE has made empowerment of people of determination a national priority. They have invested in the infrastructure. The UAE has built advanced digital governance systems. And the UAE has shown that it has a very serious commitment to inclusion, innovation, and future-ready cities. But the next step is not only building more infrastructure. The next step is measuring whether that infrastructure is producing participation. Because the goal is not only to build accessible cities, the goal is to build cities where people actually participate. That is the difference. Access is the doorway. Participation is the outcome. And PODAX exists to measure the outcome. We are now pilot ready. The platform has been tested end to end. The technology is operational. And our very next step is to work with the right government, semi-government institutions, and the private sector partners to validate the participation intelligence layer in real-world environments. We are not trying to replace existing systems. We are building the intelligence layer that helps connect them. Because inclusion should not only be promised, it should be measured. It should be improved. And it should be experienced in real life and in real time. So when people ask what PODAX does, I want them to understand this clearly. PODAX does not only measure access. PODAX measures participation. And in the future of smart cities, that difference will matter more than ever. Because a ramp is not enough. A policy is not enough. A checklist is not enough. The future of inclusion belongs to cities and institutions and governments that can measure whether people are actually and truly participating in the city. That is the future that PODAX is building, from Abu Dhabi for the UAE, and eventually for every society that understands that human participation is not a side issue. It is an infrastructure. Visit PODAX.ai to learn more, and follow PODAX as we continue building the participation intelligence layer for the future of inclusive cities.